Hi everybody, my name is Mike Hassel. I am the proud principal of Scituate High School. We have a really exciting event for all of you on February 4th at 6 p.m. Scituate High School will be holding our 8th grade move-up night and also our CTE open house. So if you are a family that has an 8th grader that lives here in Scituate and you currently attend Scituate Middle School, this is an important night. This is your night. Every single teacher is going to be here, every high school teacher. Our gymnasium is going to be buzzing with different displays and hands-on activities. You can have an opportunity to meet students, talk to those teachers, and make some informed decisions about the best courses for you to take for next year. If you don't live in Scituate, this night is also for you. So if you're in 8th grade or 9th grade and you're thinking about choosing Scituate High School for one of our amazing career and tech programs, this is the night for you. 6 p.m. we start here in the auditorium at Scituate High School. We have a student panel. We have about 10 to 12 students who want to just tell you about their experiences, and you can really truly make a decision and learn about all the amazing things that Scituate High School is doing. We're one of the best high schools in the state. Go Spartans. I'll see you on February 4th at 6 p.m.